Welcome back to the PharMore Money Channel. It is January 2nd, and I'm going to be going over why Nio is going to run to $80 and beyond this upcoming year. It is just an exciting time to be an investor. Obviously, 2020 closed out with just an incredible run from the lows that we saw in March. My portfolio itself was up over 45%, and it's just absolutely insane. Tesla was one of my biggest players, amongst others such as Peloton. The list goes on. The purpose of this channel is to share some of those key plays and just the analysis behind each of the different stocks that I'm going to talk about and why it's smart to invest in these, right? So Nio is one of those players that I know I've already talked about in my previous video as well on Nio. I just have such high hopes on Nio in terms of, what it has to offer. The fact that it has a physical product in the field in China. It's trying to expand to other countries. It's done well already, as we've seen. It's just got a lot of promise ahead of us. And I know many of you are probably wondering, obviously, with Tesla, it's already at $700 and beyond, and I don't see that slowing down anytime soon. In terms of having from a bullish perspective, right? There's going to be so much more of a run up for Tesla as it continues on, especially the fact that it's trying to expand into different fields. The battery side, the AI side, everything, right? Nio is one of those stocks right now that's fairly priced at about $48, and it has so much promise ahead of it. I honestly think that if you're building your portfolio or you're starting 2021 looking for a stock that you can, get behind, it's going to be Nio. It's going to have an incredible year ahead of it. I'm going to tell you this in a little bit why and, where I think it's going to end up. But it has so much potential to continue to just run and really finish out 2021 on a high note and really, increase that value of a lot of your portfolios if you're holding on to this. I know myself, I'm holding on to about 75 shares of Nio. I'm looking to increase that even more so over the next couple of weeks before Nio Day arrives. But let's dive into it on why I think that Nio is going to be such a bullish play for 2021. So, PharMore Money family, why am I so bullish on Nio for this coming year, right? 2021. So first and foremost, Nio Day is arriving on January 9th, and I cannot be more excited to see basically what they showcase and what they highlight and what they come out with in terms of just guidance going forward for the year. Analysts already have set an overweight or buy rating, and I think that's extremely important when you've got about 15 analysts out there setting a median target of $327 for this coming year. They've got a low estimate of $104. Nio currently is only sitting at $48, which already, if it even hits $104, it's basically just doubling or 2xing the money right off the bat. All right, PharMore Money family. So, Nio Day up ahead, January 9th, 2021. Coming out with two sedans. One of them I've showcased here in this picture. It's a concept, but I do believe that this is going to be one of them that they're going to showcase on Nio Day itself. Just looks incredible on the outside, even better on the inside. They're planning on mass manufacturing these two sedans by the fourth quarter of 2021, which is just going to be huge in terms of deliveries of vehicles and just, keeping up with the expectations of what investors are looking for how many deliveries they can make in a year. It's just all going to just play out so well. They're also going to probably showcase on Nio Day a 150 kilowatt per hour battery pack that will allow for 900 kilometers of drive time, which is just absolutely phenomenal. They're also going to showcase an NT 2.0 driver assistance platform, which will be just their autonomous driving platform, which is supposed to be just revolutionary and just ever evolving in that sense. Also, they're planning on delivering 17,000 cars over the last few months and basically crushing quarter three's 12,000 deliveries that they made. That is just absolutely phenomenal and incredible, and just shows that Nio is going to be poised to have a huge run up as we continue in 2021 and beyond. I personally think that this stock is so undervalued right now at about $48. I think it has a ton of room to run up. As I showed you in the previous, few slides, it's got an average analyst rating of about $300. I honestly think it could even go beyond that. It's one of those stocks that has a ton of promise. It's got physical product on the road, and better yet, it's actually making physical deliveries and beating each and every quarter with their delivery model. If it comes in at 17,000 deliveries, you can expect this stock to just absolutely take off and just run up into the sunset. And stay tuned as I'll continue to provide more coverage as we get closer to Nio Day. Obviously, I'll have a great video once Nio Day is, comes to fruition, and really dive right in and talk about kind of what the company, it has talked about and is forecasting for the future, and just the exciting items that they're going to be promoting. Thanks, everyone. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and definitely do subscribe. I'll continue to provide more plays, more info, more analysis on the stock market and just different companies and different stocks as we continue on this journey to wealth. Thank you.